Hey y'all, all right, well I'm joined by Camille Whitworth from Baroness on Barone,
Yeah.
who's showing us how to make your two cocktails, the Miss Spritz, and tell me the name of the other one. Is it red beans and basil?
Red beads.
Red beads.
Beads, as in
and
Mardi
basil.
Gras.
I
Yes.
gotcha, all right.
Okay, we're going to start with the Miss Spritz, and I'm going to have you do this, okay? So in the glass, in your rocks glass, what you want to do is take your cucumber. So I'm just going to give you a little cucumber. Put some mint in there.
Okay,
So here's your mint. I got it for you right
got
here.
some mint right here.
And I'm going to have you, this is what we call reporter involvement, anchor involvement, right?
Yes, I like that.
Okay, you're going to take that, put it in your
mint
rocks
and
glass.
Some cukes. And we're muddling.
Some cukes.
Yeah, some
Okay, muddle
cukes.
those up. Okay, and then,
And when you muddle, you're like really just bringing out all of the goodness that's in those herbs or veggies that you may be muddling.
That's right. And you don't want to, when you have fresh herbs, you don't want to like them. You just want to politely just muddle them. Because otherwise, politely you want to politely muddle them.
And so you put in some lemon juice too?
I put in some lime juice. Put in a little bit of lime juice in there, okay? Now you're looking good. You're looking good. Now what you want to do is add your simple syrup. So here's your simple syrup.
Simple syrup.
Put in half an ounce of that right in there.
All right, half an ounce is the smaller one.
That's right, correct. All right.
I'm good on the other side of the bar.
Okay, you're good with that. Put that there. Okay. Next, you want to use the Seedlip, and this is our alcohol-less spirit. So there are several of these on the market.
Zero proof.
It's a zero proof. They call it sober, curious, all these kind of things. So put one small side in there.
One small of that.
And then you want to put ice in there. After that. Now that Seedlip is really going to bring it home. Now that you have the mint, you have the cukes.
Oh, wow. That's very floral.
It is. It's so great. And put your ice. You're going to have to use your hands, unfortunately.
It's all right.
Okay.
All right.
And this is just going to be crisp and refreshing. Now you want to stir that up, but stir it from the bottom.
All right.
Always stir from the bottom.
You get some of that mint in there, right?
Yes, you get that right in there.
All right.
Okay.
And then this is the Miss Spritz.
This is the Miss Spritz because you're going to top it with ginger beer.
Okay.
So take that ginger beer.
And then the ginger beer, which is right here.
You're going to put that right on top.
All right.
Put that right on top.
Shelby walks in front of the camera.
Shelby.
Thank you, Shelby.
Okay.
All right.
Now you've got your ridiculously crisp, ridiculously delicious
And that looks
mocktail.
like a genuine cocktail right there, but we're mocking it.
We're mocking it. And if you wanted
mocking
to, you can always, of course it's Mocktail Monday, but for those people who want alcohol, you can always put your vodka or whatever in there.
Sure, but this keeps you nice and healthy there, just like all the stuff that Doc Griggs was talking about. So the Miss Spritz, now we're moving on to the red beads.
Red beets
and basil.
So I'm cutting up your strawberries.
Okay.
I'm putting basil.
Delicious Louisiana strawberries.
You're going to take your basil and you are going to muddle this.
We're muddling again.
We're muddling. You're going in for the
my
muddle.
favorite thing.
Okay, you're going to muddle that.
All right.
Muddle it right on up.
Gentle with the muddle.
Gentle with the muddle.
We're
Gentle
gently
with the
muddling.
muddle.
I don't know. There's something about muddling that makes me want to be very aggressive. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah. It's something that I'm smashing.
Okay, go kickbox instead.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you got your strawberry.
Okay.
Your basil leaves. You're going to put lemon juice. No, lemon juice is the other
muddled
one.
up.
This one there,
This is the lemon juice?
That's the lemon juice.
All right.
So you can put your lemon juice and your simple syrup.
We're doing a half.
Yep. Put it right on in there. Now the thing about mocktails is you can be creative with this. You can do so many things. You can put so many fresh herbs to make it delicious. You can throw different fruits in.
Yeah.
You can throw, and the beauty of it is the people who don't drink or who aren't drinking right now, put ice in there. And then your Seedlip.
All right, we're doing
So again,
some more. And the Seedlip, it's supposed to, is it kind of mimic like a gin, sort of? Is that
not really.
the
It's
idea,
just it's made with just a lot of herbs and spices, and it just really gives that flavor, so that you don't feel like you're missing out on anything. So you don't feel like you're missing out on the spirit,
So you can get in the spirit without the spirit.
That is correct. Use that as a tagline. Now you're going to shake this up. Okay, you're going to put this on top, give it a spanking, and shake that up.
Spank it and shake it.
That's right. Shake, 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 shake.
My favorite is when I order the gin fizz, and then you watch the bartender shaking that egg white until it's
12 minutes.
pulverized.
Yeah,
All right, we're
okay,
past that
you're going
point
to take
here.
that off. All right, now you're going to take this and you're going to strain it right into this glass. Okay. Isn't that gorgeous? Mmm. Mmm. Ooh.
You aren't kidding, huh?
Isn't that nice? So you can still have the sophistication of drinking.
Making a mess. All right.
Okay. All right. Then you're going to put your nice little.
This is why
Rob, okay.
I'm unhireable behind the bar.
All right. And then you've got your basil
Look
and
at
your
that.
lemon, and you've got a beautiful mocktail.
That is a fancy
Isn't
one.
that
All right,
nice?
so the folks that want to come check out some of the mocktails that you have, or maybe they want something a little stronger, can come check out Baroness on Barone?
Yeah,
Where's
we've been
that?
there 14 years. It's downtown New Orleans, 339 Barone in the heart of downtown, and we are rocking and rolling, and we have so many talented members on our team. So if you go in and let's say you don't like these
And
flavors,
they'll make something for you.
they'll make it. They
love
just
that.
create this wonderful mocktail.
Fantastic. All right. Well, thank you so much.
Of course.
Time now 10:53.